The Traffic Sign Recognition System, TSR, is part of Honda Sensing, our intelligent suite of safety and driver-assistive technologies. TSR can notify drivers of posted speed limits with the use of a small camera mounted on the windshield, and can display icons of detected traffic signs in the Driver Information Interface, or DII. The sign icon may change to another one or disappear when the detected speed limit changes, when you reach the end of a designated speed limit, or when you make a turn with a turn signal at an intersection. Plus, the icon is designed to start blinking to alert you when the detected speed limit is reached or exceeded. You can turn the system on and off and customize its operation when the vehicle is parked and the power is on. First, press the home button on the left side of the steering wheel. Then turn the selector wheel to choose settings in the DII and press in. Turn the selector wheel to Driver Assist System Setup and press. In the unlikely event that you want to turn this valuable feature off, roll the selector wheel to Traffic Sign Recognition System Display setting, press in, and then select Off. To turn the overspeed alert off, turn the selector wheel to Traffic Sign Recognition System Exceeding Speed Warning, press in, and then choose Off. To adjust the speed at which the overspeed warning occurs, turn the selector wheel to Speed Limit Warning Threshold setting and press in. Then turn the selector wheel to choose speed limit plus 3 miles per hour, speed limit plus 5 miles per hour, or speed limit plus 10 miles per hour, and press to select. See your vehicle's owner's manual for more details, or go to owners.honda.com for a downloadable version.